Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Messenger, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here as you see you will find personal details, and now click profiles, and click here, and here you will find name, click on it. Here as you see you can change your name, your first name, your middle name, and your last name, and click your view change, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.